So we start with a nice, large, sturdy pot, preferably a Dutch oven. Over medium-high heat, we're going to add 3 slices of thickly cut applewood smoked bacon that's been roughly chopped. You're going to cook this till it's nice and crisp and fully cooked. Using a slotted spoon, remove the cooked bacon to a plate that's been lined with a paper towel. Bacon. Now you're going to want to leave the rendered fat in the pot. Now to this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped yellow or white onion. Cook the onion in the bacon fat until it's soft and translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now to this, we're going to add 2 pounds of dried black-eyed peas. That's about 5 cups. Now there's no need to soak these beans overnight. They're going to cook beautifully in the pot. Now we start adding the liquid. This is 4 cups of chicken stock. Now to make this dish completely vegetarian, you can omit the bacon and instead of using chicken stock, go with vegetable stock or even water. I think the chicken stock adds a wonderful, wonderful flavor. Now at this point, you're going to want to crank the heat to really high and bring this liquid to a boil. Keep an eye on it, stirring as you go. Now we're going to add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes that have been halved, a cup of green onions or scallions that have been chopped, 2 fresh bay leaves, a nice big teaspoon of kosher salt, and another teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir until fully combined, and you're going to want to cook the beans for about an hour and a half. Now it's really important to stir as you go and to continue to add liquid. Those beans will soak up that liquid. It's going to take, like I said, about an hour and a half, and you'll know when they're ready. These beans can take a lot of salt, so continue to taste until it's the right consistency and the right seasoning. Oh, perfect. Once fully cooked, remove the bay leaves, get a nice large serving bowl, and add a big scoop of those beans. Or make 2 or 3 beautiful scoops of black-eyed peas. Top with that cooked bacon. Garnish with a few more scallions. Get a spoon and ring in the new year with these incredible black-eyed peas.
Hey everybody!
Hey, now if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right, and to get more amazing recipes like this, just click right here.
Click, subscribe,
Do it all.
subscribe.
Just click and subscribe.